Hey everyone, it's Patty. I know this video is long overdue, but before I started sharing videos on the fall season, I wanted to share with you my summer home tour for 2020. For this season, my color scheme was navy, coral, and pops of yellow. I definitely wanted to incorporate the farmhouse style, modern, and also touches of boho. So let's go ahead and get started. First walk in, there is our entryway table. Here, I kept it pretty similar to what I had during the springtime. I can't remember if I had these flowers in here, but I have these olive stems, which I pretty much keep in most of the year, and then I just added these brighter flowers for summer. I think I had those for the springtime as well. And then this is from the Dollar Spot. I just love like the modern neutral feel of it. And then this plant I've had since winter time. I believe that was from Michael's. Then these two I picked up from the Dollar Spot, and it pretty much gave those boho navy blue vibes that I was going for. So I was really excited when I saw these. These are currently at the Dollar Spot now, and then this plant I've had for a few years. I don't remember where that is from. And then the two plant stands were from the Dollar Spot. So Target, Dollar Spot, definitely for the win. And then the bottom I've kept pretty much the same since winter time. This lantern is from I believe Decor Steals, and then this plant is from Target. And then I just have a lantern with some logs and candles. And then this I did add, it's just the kids' chalk basket because we're right by the front door, and it's easier for them to have the chalk basket there to be able to pull out quickly instead of having to like run back and forth. Okay, so as you walk into the house, there's kind of like another little entryway, and we have always kept this room totally empty except for we used to have like a little fireplace here. So we decided to move the toys out of our homeschool space and put it here. I really struggled with it just because I don't want toys to be kind of like one of the first things you see as you walk into our house, but we do live here, especially right now. We're not having a lot of people over, so we decided that it would be for the best. So what I eventually would like to do is over here I have one of these baskets that's kind of like a Serena and Lily dupe, and they sell them at TJ Maxx. I'd like to get another one of these for over here and put the toys you see in the corner in one of those baskets. So essentially all you would see is this marketplace right here, and then the mat, and then the rest is pretty much decor. And then once the baby isn't so little, I would change this to a little circular rug. So I think it'll be very pleasing to the eye. Right now we're just kind of, I just moved this stuff last week, so I still haven't fully set up the space. But let me show you the summer decor for this area. So over here, will probably be the last time you see this gallery wall. I've had this now where I change it every season for 2 years now. So I'm ready for something else. And I'm looking on Facebook Marketplace. I want to get something a little bit wider here where I could store more toys. This has been awesome. I got this last year for my birthday. And these cubbies, we have shoes in. And then in here, I have 2 of those seagrass baskets, and those store toys. So it's been awesome. I used to have it in another area, but like I said, since we're moving toys over here, I wanted to move it over here. And but I would like something just a little bit wider, or not wider, longer, just a smidge, not too much because the marketplace is here. Anyways, so this basket was here. I had this on this piece of furniture during the springtime. I believe this I got from Target like 80% off or something. This was from Michael's during their spring line, but I love greenery for summer also. And then this was an old bottle of burgundy with some wood beads from Amazon. This was from the Dollar Spot. These candlesticks I love. I pretty much use these all year round. And these are from Target as a 3-pack. And I probably will be moving those for fall. Maybe I'll get some different color candles for fall. We'll see. And then this basket, I love, that's from Target. And then the greenery is from Joann's. And then this sign, I believe, is from, I don't remember. I think it's Hobby Lobby. This is from Target, and I think it's just really fun for summer.
This I've had for years, and this is from Target. This Chris got for me from it was like a fair that he went to when I was really pregnant with the kids and his dad, and he found me that sign and brought it back. And then that was from Walmart. This is from Magnolia Market, and I love putting it up for summer and springtime. So there's a look at that. Okay, next, as you walk into our living room, I just have, this rug is from Opal House by Target, and then this coffee table is from Walmart, and then I just kept it pretty simple just because the kids are always playing here. This tray I love. I feel like it kind of gives that boho style. And the tray is from Home Goods. The planter is from Michael's, and then the plant is from, I believe, IKEA. And then the pillow covers I shared recently in a haul. Those are from Amazon. It came 4 to a pack, and I love the colors for summer. Kind of my color scheme was this blue, this peach, and then this yellow color. So I thought that was a perfect pack. It came with another one that I just put away for now because I didn't need it for the time being. But I loved it. It was kind of like a beige color. And then this, everyone I feel like has, and that's from Opal House. And then the leather one was from another like pillow cover pack that I bought, and that's like one of my favorite pillows. So those are all the pillows. Then over here on the nightstand, I just have a plant from IKEA, some old books, and some coasters. I am looking on Facebook Marketplace to trade out this nightstand, and I want to trade out the lamp too. So we'll see. There's so many projects I want to do. Let me bring you around to the other side. Okay, so this space over here, normally I had this piece of furniture. This fireplace I've mentioned in other videos. I am planning on selling. I just haven't listed it yet. But I'm having a family member build me a much larger fireplace, and it's gonna go under my TV. So that is in the works. Hopefully I will have it for Christmas time. I just have to go buy wood so that they can start building it for me. And then this mirror is from Target. I just kept it pretty simple over here. I love wood tones and greenery for summertime, pretty much all year. Those are like my staples. So I have just some faux candles on these 2 candlesticks, and then this plant. This is one of my favorite faux plants. I just love how it like goes to the side, and that one's from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, I kept it pretty simple also, just because this is my first time decorating this. For years, we've had the TV on our TV stand, but someone recently gave us a larger TV and we hung it up. So that was pretty awesome. So I just kept it with this little house. Is from Hearth and Hand. The diffuser, I believe, is by Eden's Garden. This is an old Target item, as well as this. And then we just have our Alexa. Okay, over here we have our homeschool space. So this is right off of the living room. We have the living room over here, and then the homeschool space over here. Let me bring you up to the ceiling. As you can see, our ceiling goes much higher, so it kind of feels like a little bit of a separate space. So it's perfect for our homeschool area. I just finished this space last week. If you want to see a whole tour of this area, I will link my homeschool room tour down below. But I am going to definitely add some fall touches. I'm going to add a couple of things that will be really fun for the kids for learning for fall, but really looks natural. I want to add some natural elements, maybe have them make some things with like leaves or orange slices or apples, I don't know what, but I think it would be really fun to add some natural elements to this space. Also, I did a faux brick wall, and I followed Jessica Giffen, I believe is her last name. I followed her tutorial, so I will leave that video linked down below as well. Okay, so here is a look at the dining room area. I think this is my first video that I get to show the dining room redone, or not the dining room, the dining table redone. I bought this off of Facebook Marketplace, and it needed some work, and a family member of mine fixed it up and made it look amazing. The bench came with it, but they were not a set and were totally different, and I just am so in love with it. It's probably one of my favorite pieces of furniture, and it's super durable for the kids. So I kept it pretty simple just because I feel like the table speaks for itself. So I just have this runner that I got from Joss and Main, and I'm not sure if it's coming off on the camera as black or blue, but it is a navy color because, as I mentioned before, I did want navy throughout the house. And then I just have these flowers that I got a few years back from Kirkland's, and then that tin is from Magnolia Market. Then here is our coffee station. I wanted to again focus on the blue and the yellow. I thought this was a really fun tassel garland, and that was from the Opal House. Then I bought this a few years back, I think from Michael's, and then I just wanted to add some greenery and just make everything like really fun and fresh looking. This is from the Dollar Spot. If you drink iced coffee, these are the best straws for iced coffee. They're from Opal House. And then this sign was from Walmart, and then these two were from the Dollar Spot. Everything else was pretty much the same. If you have any questions about any of the other stuff, you can let me know in the comments, but everything else has pretty much stayed the same for the past few tours that I've done, but I did want to incorporate a few fun pops of colors for summer. Okay, in the kitchen, I try to not put too much decor on the counters, but this space over here I really enjoy decorating because it has the shelves here and the tier tray. So that is usually where I focus most of my decor in the kitchen on. So on the tier tray I do keep like fruits and veggies when we have them like not in the fridge, but I also kind of wanted to make like a lemon themed area for this space. So on the tiered tray, I found this cute little lemon bowl at Walmart, and I just have it holding the garlic. And then this is from Hearth and Hand, and I think they said on the description it's like a lemon plant. And then I have these old lemons from the Dollar Spot a couple years ago. And then I have some real lemons. And then I have this little lemon pick in a white pitcher. Then I have this towel from Target, I believe a year or two ago. And then this sign was from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. Then here I set up like a little ice cream station. So I have sprinkles and toppings and then little ice cream cups, and I kind of try to theme everything yellow. And if you have not seen, I do have a pantry tour because we don't have like an actual pantry. So this is where I store all our food and dried goods and all of that stuff. And the only other thing I change for summer decor is this picture. I wanted to add some blue to the kitchen. So I just put this floral arrangement with greenery and eucalyptus, and then it has the pop of blue. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my summer home tour. Definitely make sure you're subscribed because I am doing Vlogmas this year. I'm doing videos Monday through Friday, and after this video there are a whole bunch of fall videos coming your way. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.